everybody, we are on Ramsey Street in Banning. If you watched one of my previous videos, you would know that I posted my second ever Washboard Razor XR7, which I literally just left. If you remember that video, in the intro I mentioned that I found a Shell station just down the road from here that also has a car wash that I never knew about up until I spotted it while passing through here. It was either a Ryko Softgloss MAXX or a very stripped down and basic MAXX 5 with MacNeil dryers. That was a glimpse of it I got. So I figured we come over here. I'm not expecting a whole lot. I have my expectations set reasonably low. But we're gonna come to this place and we're gonna see what this wash is like and see if it's any good at all in terms of how it works. I think it's at this intersection right here. Yeah, it is. This one kind of looks like they built the car wash after they built this, so I would imagine this gas station probably didn't have a car wash previously. I do see orange cones in front of it, so that's not a good sign. No, I think those are just guiding the entrance, yeah. So it was a Ryko Softgloss MAXX. Interesting, and it does have MacNeil dryers, I could see it. You know, I actually wonder if this is the same people who own that Shell in Calamasa, because it looks like this probably used to have an Oasis Baywash, but I'm gonna guess, just like the other one, it fell apart. So they got this. And what really makes me think that they're owned by the same people is because the wash prices are still ridiculously high. It's the same pricing as the other one. Let's just do the basic wash, because this wash, $11 for a basic wash and $16 for a top wash. Although this gantry is in relatively good condition, I have a strong suspicion it's owned by the same people who own that other place, and I don't want to be ripped off. So let's do that. If it turns out to be good, I'll come back on another visit and do the top wash. Wouldn't be surprised if the card reader doesn't even work. I love how, like, the wash menu... Oh, it worked. I love how the wash menu options are, like, burnt into the screen. This place looks like a real rust bucket. Oh, boy. Let's see what we're getting ourselves into here. Oh, I love how the instructional signage is off to the right. It's not even posted. That's lovely. So we got 3 out of 4 that work on the green lights. be perfectly honest, I'm surprised how well this thing is working on a very basic level. All the brushes don't push in too hard, they're touching the perfect amount necessary. And then get ready to go. I'm actually genuinely surprised that there was nothing broken on there with the exception of some of the lights. I'm kind of curious, maybe these aren't the same people who own that wash. I don't know. But yeah, that was decent enough to where I think I might come back and actually do the 16 do the 16 another time, because that was actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I wonder if they'll replace that other one that's at that other one with the Baywash, because that one sucks. But this one is a little bit better than their other location. Well, anyway, that's all I got. Thank you for watching.